What is up, guys? In this video I'll be showing you how to unblock or get unblocked on the internet. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually type in tmac address changer, and what we're going to do is the first thing right here, the first it should pop up, be the first. What we're going to do is click download now, and then just do direct download. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open it. Let's extract. I think we can, yeah, we can open it up here. Make sure you click yes on the administrator permission. Just install it normally. Alright, now it's finished. And now we can actually close this and we can actually open it. Alrighty. Just saying, do you want to associate the preset file? I'll click yes, and there you go. So what happens now is that you have to go select a device. You're basically, it's the one right here. It's Wi-Fi basically. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on that, and you're gonna click randomize MAC address. You can just basically just keep on like randomizing it all you want. And what you're gonna do is, you know, if you click change now, it will automatically change, and it says MAC address was changed successfully. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna actually type in the password for that, and let's do that now. Alright. I think only in Windows 10 or older versions, I think it doesn't actually remember the passwords. You have to type it in again. So yeah. So now it has changed as a new MAC address. So all you can do is click restore original, and the MAC address was restored successfully. And what we can do is go back on the internet, connect to the Wi-Fi main, and it'll work again. So let's show this in action when we get blocked, and that will happen at 10 o'clock. Alright, it is now 10 o'clock. So let's go and open up, you know, our web browser again, and let's just say we look up VPN, right? We look it up. Nothing. So if we go get a new tab and type in VPN, nothing as well. We can't do nothing. Like you can't search up anything. Yeah, it's just gonna be like this for a very long time until you're unblocked. So to fix that is, you know, we open up our MAC address changer, then you hit the randomize MAC address, then hit change now. And what's that gonna do is, okay, it's changed successfully, and now it says there's no internet. And let's click here, connect back to T-Mobile or whatever your Wi-Fi is called, for example. And now let's refresh. And there you go, it's actually unblocked. We can refresh that one too. And there you go, you're actually 100% unblocked from the internet, doing the MAC address method. I hope you liked this video, and please subscribe or hit the thumbs up button. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.